Assalamu alaikum. The title of my thesis is Hybrid Modeling Techniques for Environmental and Human Health Impact Assessments from a Nuclear Power Plant Site. To give my audience a sense of continuity, I would like to let you know that my presentation will be based on the serial numbering of my points, as you can see on the slide. Do we really need electricity? Is electricity essential for living? Yes, of course. But electricity generation is a double-edged sword because of the environmental and human health impacts, because of the environmental and human health ramifications of fossil fuel exploration and burning for electricity generation. We still have the memories of the BP oil spill in the United States of America and the recent atmospheric pollution issues in Beijing, China, as well as France, that is Paris. The anthropogenic effects of global warming are incessant. We have floodings, drought, and so on. It is therefore wise to say that modern technology or ecology and apology. Global warming has been linked with greenhouse gases emission from conventional electricity generation technologies like coal and oil. Then what do we need to do? We need to embrace cleaner electricity generation technologies like nuclear and renewable. But the siting of a nuclear power plant requires a robust system of safety analysis. And this is where my research is relevant, as it employs the method of atmospheric dispersion calculations from radionuclide released from the stack of a generic nuclear power plant for the estimation of air concentration and topsoil deposition of these radionuclides, from which we assess the human impacts, the impacts to the human being via the three methods of radiological exposure in human, which is ingestion as food, inhalation through breathing, as well as whole body exposure. My research does not only look at human, it also involves the impacts to the non-human biota, the marine organisms, the freshwater organisms, as well as the terrestrial organisms. Because of the significance in the number of nuclear power plants today and their potential to grow in the future, this research is timely, as it involves internationally verified methodologies as well as inexpensive tools in achieving its objective. Thank you very much for listening.